Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Sienna maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is displayed, not the trip or B meter. Now, locate the trip reset button on your dashboard, typically found near the speedometer or tachometer. This button is crucial for the next steps. Now, turn your ignition key completely to the off position. With the key off, press and hold the trip reset button. Keep it pressed down. While still holding the button, turn your ignition key back to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key to the on position. This sequence initiates the reset procedure for the maintenance light. Continue holding the trip reset button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the maintenance light begin to flash, and then it should turn off completely. Once the light is extinguished, you can release the trip reset button. This indicates that the maintenance light has been successfully reset. If the light remains on, you may need to repeat the process. If the maintenance light remains on after your first attempt, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific details or variations for your particular model. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.